Okay, this is rule 2.1 of lower precedence. If the incoming operator has lower precedence than the top of the stack operator, then the top of the stack will be popped and the incoming operator will be compared with the new top of the stack. I will explain this with a simple example. Input, stack, output. I will scan each and every token from left to right. A here, A is not a operator. I will just write it in the output. Then comes plus, plus is an operator. A in the output. B, right? Plus is an operator. I'll just write it as it is. A, B. Star, star has greater precedence than plus, so I will push it into the stack. We have already seen this in the previous rule, right? So I'll say A, B. Then comes C here. I will write plus star as it is. A, B, C, right? Then comes exponential. Exponential has greater precedence than multiplication. Then I'll push it into the stack, correct? A, B, C. Then comes D here, plus star exponential A, B, C, D. Then comes minus. Then comes minus. So we have to be careful here. This is where our rule applies. If the incoming operator has lower precedence, so minus and exponential, minus is incoming operator which has lower precedence than exponential. Then what do? We compare it with the top of the stack, which is exponential, and then the top of the stack will be popped out. Okay, this we know, we have seen in the previous rule, right? But after popping out, we just cannot push minus into the stack. We need to compare minus with multiplication as well, right? Then, so that's what the rule says. Then the top of the stack will be popped and the incoming operator will be compared with the new top of the stack. So once exponential is popped out, minus will be compared with the new top of the stack, that is multiplication. Now we already know that minus has less precedence than multiplication. Minus has less precedence than multiplication, right? Therefore we also pop out multiplication. And then after popping out multiplication, plus will become the new top of the stack. And then we also compare minus with plus, right? We also know that if the two operators have equal precedence, then we actually look at associativity. These two have equal precedence. For this rule, you can look at previous videos. So these two have equal precedence. Therefore, we look at associativity. If associativity is from left to right, we pop out plus. So if you want to look at this rule, you can look at previous videos, you will know it, right? So here I will write down here plus. So this is also popped out. Therefore, first I compared minus with exponential. The incoming operator has less precedence than exponential. Therefore, I popped out exponential. I also then after popping out exponential, the new top of the stack will be multiplication. I also compare minus with multiplication. This incoming operator has less precedence than multiplication. I pop this out again, right? And now I also compare minus with plus, which is the new top of the stack. It has equal precedence. Then I check associativity. It is left to right. Therefore, I pop plus as well, and I push minus into the stack, right? So then after this, the token that comes out is E, right? I just say A, B, C, D to the power exponential star plus E. After E, the whole expression is evaluated. Therefore, the only operator left in the stack is minus. Therefore, I will say here minus. So this is our postfix expression, and this is nothing but rule 2.1. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt with any of the rules that I have explained, you can comment in the comment section and I will clarify. Thank you.